Good day friends, welcome to the world of science and fitness. Today we're going to share a very smart mechanism by which you can lower your blood glucose level by as much as 20% without making drastic changes to your dietary habits. Professor Alison Duncan, Department of Human Health and Nutritional Sciences, found that replacing half of the starchy dishes with lentils can help improve the body response to carbohydrate. For example, if you replace half portion of the rice with lentils, it can lead to the lowering of the blood glucose level by 20%, while if you replace half of the potato with lentils, it can lead to the reduction in the blood glucose level by as much as 35%. A study was conducted in the University of Guelph, Ontario, Canada, involving 24 healthy men. These individuals were fed 4 dishes: white rice only, half white rice and half large green lentils, half white rice and half small green lentils, and half white rice and half split red lentils. The research was published in the Journal of Nutrition. Glucose levels were measured before the consumption of food and 2 hours after the consumption of food. And they repeated the same process for white potatoes also. The same combination of potato and lentils. The reason why they mixed lentils with potato is because people don't typically eat pulses on their own, but rather they use them with a combination of other starches. Blood glucose level fell by similar amount when half of the starches were replaced with each type of these 3 lentils. Now you see, lentils are very slow digesting carbohydrate, which means the release of glucose from the digestion is very slow. This would mean that you would not experience a spike in the blood glucose level, which is the hallmark of type 2 diabetes. Hence, if you include this particular strategy into your diet, you would reap substantial benefit derived from properly managed blood glucose levels. If you do find the information handy, show love to the video by giving it a thumbs up, share it with your near and dear ones who have been suffering from type 2 diabetes. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more valuable information backed by science. Jai Hind.